Everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm here for another video. This time we're going to talk about module number 6. And that module deals with perception data and celebration of strengths. So here's the module, and remember we should expand it. Let's go down through this and we'll give you a little bit of an overview. So this time, here are your content knowledge. You should read these articles. And remember, if you cite them, here is your organization or author. Here's the date. So you can actually use these in your reference page, just the way they are. They'll work. If you're going to do inline or in-text citing, just use the last name and the date. And you can look that up on Purdue OWL, and it'll talk to you about in-text citing. So make sure you're doing that in APA. Hope you enjoy all the feedback you're getting. Hope it's helping. I appreciate your hard work in making adjustments that I've requested. Things like that. It makes your overall product and your module a lot better. So thank you. So this time we're going to talk a little bit about perception data. We're actually going to deal with the Kansas Community Care Survey. This is something that a lot of Kansas districts do. Other states do similar things. So if you're not from Kansas, you're welcome to use your survey. If you have one similar to this, you can take a look at it. If you need help, let me know and I'll help you figure something out. So what you're going to do is you're going to open it up and you're going to focus on these domains: school domain, family domain, peer individual domain, and then one domain of your choice. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a FAIR model. So here it is. You click on it and it'll open it up. It should ask you to make a copy. So follow that same process that we used before when we make copies. And this is what our FAIR model looks like. So you're going to talk about some strengths you see in those areas, some challenges in those areas, some implications, and some areas of improvement. So as you'll see, it's similar to what we did last time, but it's just in a little bit different format. And again, we're working on analyzing perception data. And with perception data, it's more qualitative in nature. There's not as many numbers. You will see some charts and things like that, but really it's more text-based, things like that. In Kansas Community Care Surveys, you do get a lot of charts, but there's also a lot of perception data and things like that. So you're going to go through it, and what you're going to do is you're going to use your FAIR model. You're going to work to connect the data to the process and protocols described in this module. You're going to do several things with that. You're going to describe the process you would use to analyze perception data with your staff and community. You're going to develop a one-page infographic, sign, flyer, etc., that demonstrates the themes for the immediate growth and celebration. So you're going to use your FAIR model to analyze and collect your thoughts. Then you're going to work on a process. Then you're going to develop a one-pager, kind of like an infographic, or kind of like just a document or a flyer you can use to demonstrate areas to celebrate and areas to improve. Then you're going to develop a plan to build consensus on themes. And then you're going to talk a little bit about House Bill 2567. And if you're from Kansas, you know what that is. Take a look at it. There's a link to it right here. Read through that and talk about the implications. What happens? What does that bill allow us to do? What's it allow us not to do? It's just something that we need to keep in the back of our mind. And remember, when you do things, you need to make sure we're following APA Style 7, and we need to make a reference page for this module. You'll probably need some in-text citations. Also, make sure you use appropriate grammar and that things make sense and it reads professionally in an academic language. It's important that we do that. And then you're going to do your correlation piece right here at the bottom. Now, one thing about this correlation piece is I've emailed several of you about this. I need you to go a little bit deeper. Talk about how you as a future educational leader and how the things you're learning might impact that and help you lead other people through some of this stuff. So again, I hope you enjoy this module. If you have questions, please let me know. It's been nice talking to you. I'll see you later.